Motorhead Garage, the program that each week introduces you to and shows you how to install the latest in exciting and innovative products for your vehicle. Now here's your host, Dave Dobson.
Hey there, Motorheads. Welcome to Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonfireTools.com. Whether you got a 67 Camaro like that, maybe a 1934 Chevrolet, or maybe it's just your daily driver, you want two things. You want it to look great, and you want it to stay that way. You want to protect it. So Donnie, how can you help me at Campbell's Custom Care? How can you help me maintain my car's good looks?
Yes, Dave, here at Campbell's Custom Care, we created the Don. The Don is a go-to product which cleans, seals, and protects your vehicle. It's easy to use. You can use it in the sunlight, you can use it at your car shows, you can use it in your garage, even in your households.
What makes the Don different from some of the other car care products that are out there?
The Don is a water-based product, so you're not going to get that high silicone finish on your vehicles. What we're going for is perfection. We want your cars to look good and stand out. So when you drive to that car show or your local supermarket and people look at your car, they say, wow, what do you use on that car?
There's a lot of folks that say you get something with silicone, that's what you want, but you're telling me it's not in there. How come?
No, the silicone actually is a magnet for dirt, and a lot of people don't realize that. With the water base, what it does, it repels that dust, that grime. So when you do the maintenance wipe downs, when you do the maintenance washes on it, and you have that water-based SiO2 in there, it really helps keep your car maintenance easy.
We were talking earlier, and this just isn't about you. You were talking to other car owners, and you have been your whole life at car shows.
Yes.
So how do you want to help those folks?
So being a detailer by trade now, I really want to help other detailers. I want to make their car detailing easy. I want to give the everyday user an easy opportunity to use something good on their car. I want to make everything user-friendly for people and give them that exact look they're going for.
Let's take a look at just how user-friendly this is.
Absolutely. So what I like to do is I shake the bottle just to get everything mixed up in there, to mist, and then what I do is I'll take a damp microfiber, and all you do is you buff it in, back and forth, set your rag down, and take a dry microfiber and just buff back and forth. And what this is going to do, it's going to give you that high shine, that high clarity, and that slick surface that you want.
Yeah, the shine doesn't always show up on television, but show us how the surfaces compare there, how slick it is, where you just did that into a surface you haven't touched.
I'm going to toss this rag over to you.
All right.
You ready? All right, so what you're doing is you're going to get a high finish now.
Yep.
And I can show you too, hand to hand here, where you're not going to get that push.
Yeah.
It's really a real hard surface, and on here, you got just a slick grade.
Of course, on the Mustang, that's in ideal conditions. Everything's dry. What if it's wet? What if it's not perfect outside?
Yes, Dave, the Don you can apply in any type of element, temperature, rain, shine, anything. So as soon as you get to the car show and you want to apply it and you hit a little bit of sprinkle or something, you can apply it to that surface and wipe it right off.
And speaking of car shows, this is a beautiful 1934 Chevrolet. What about a vehicle like this? You've got your whole life poured into this thing, and you want me to put a chemical or some product on it. How can I be sure it's safe?
Yes, the Don is very safe, and as if you watch by example, you just spray it right on that panel there, that front fender, and you just buff it on. And we got this dry surface here, and it's going to give you that high shine, pull off all that dust, and just make that car look show ready at all times.
That is fantastic. What kind of surfaces besides the paint can I use the Don on?
You can use this on anything. You can use it on glass, chrome, your interior, your dashboard. It's safe on all surfaces.
Well, all surfaces, that means it's perfect for motorcycles. Maybe you have an RV. You can use it on your appliances in your home. You can check out the Don and their entire line at campbellscustomcare.com. And you can check out more Motorhead Garage presented by DragonfireTools.com when we come back. Don't go anywhere.